This rainy days quotes will make you feel happy in an instant. Rain catches the fancy of children and adults alike. Some see it as a sign of joy, while for the lonely souls, it spells depression and gloom. Through tears and smiles, the sounds of falling rain on a rainy day is certainly what matters. Admit it, every one of us has done this at least once. There are many things money cannot buy, and one of them is the pleasure of a rainy day. It is on such days that you connect to your inner child once again. Ever wondered why the falling rain can soothe an ailing heart? Well, the steady drumming of falling rain has a profound rhythm, one that you can ignore even in your sleep. It can make you cry and vent out your sadness. It can make you live for joy and share happiness. That's rain after all. The sweet tears of heaven. Let the rain kiss you. Let the rain beat upon your head with silver liquid drops. Let the rain sing a lullaby. A rainy day is a perfect time for a walk. Being soaked alone is cool. Being soaked with your friends is an adventure. Everybody wants happiness. Nobody wants pain. But you can't have a rainbow without a little rain. When it comes to your parade, look up rather than down. Without the rain, there would be no rainbow. Sunshine is delicious. Rain is refreshing. Wind raises us up. Snow is exhilarating. There is really no such thing as bad weather, only different kinds of good weather. I believe in running through the pain and crashing into the person you love and having your lips bleed in each other. The rainy days are best for washing negative thoughts and help you to stay positive forever. After the rain, you see all your place is clean and the place smells good. You start feeling the fresh air. If you do not understand the importance of the rain, then you never understand how much rain is good for you. Clouds came floating into my life, no longer to carry rain or usher storm, but to add color to my sunset sky. Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Tears fall in my heart like the rain in the town. Like a welcome summer rain, you me suddenly cleanse and cool the earth, the air, and you. Rainy days should be spent at home with a cup of tea and a good book. I cry in the rain, so nobody will notice my tears. Things change, and friends leave. Life doesn't stop for anybody. If you want the rainbow, you have to deal with the rain. Rain is just a confetti from the sky. Rain is always an emotion, an emotional love. Happiness is rainy night, balcony, a cup of coffee, your favorite music. May the sound of the rain remind you that growth can be painful, yet it's beautiful. No rain flower. Thy fate is the common fate of all, into which life, some rain, must fall. Skillful pilots gain their reputation from storms and tempests. The sun after the rain is much beautiful than the sun before the rain. Like the sky opens after a rainy day, we must open to ourselves. Learn to love yourself for who you are and open so the world can see you shine. Rain hangs about the place like a friendly ghost. If it's not coming down in delicate droplets, then it's in bucket. And if neither, it tends to lurk suspiciously in the atmosphere. Celebrate the rain. It only means that the sun shall shine bigger and brighter than ever. Only a select few are able to see the true beauty that lies behind what might seem like a rainy day or a gray sky. The best thing one can do when it's raining is to let it rain. Give thanks for the rain in your life which waters the flower of your soul. Do not be angry with the rain. It simply does not know how to fall upwards. God is good for everybody. The sun shines on good people and bad people, and it rains on both. God doesn't choose rain only for bad people. If the rain spoils our picnic but saves a farmer's crop, keep something for rainy days. The rain began again. It fell heavily, easily with no meaning or intention, but the fulfillment of its own nature, which was to fall and fall. A rainy day is an equalizer. You don't know what's going to happen. You just take what you can get. Some people are making such thorough preparation for rainy days that they aren't enjoying today's sunshine. You pray for rain, you got to deal with the mud too. That's a part of it. Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Rain is grace. Rain is the sky descending to the earth. Without rain, there would be no life. We all encounter rainy days in our lives. Those times of need, trouble, pain, suffering, or loss. Whether it's financial struggles, emotional storms, poor health, or relationships difficulties, there will always be turbulent times in life. The waters of life will not always be calm. Life will not always be rosy, and not all of your days will be sweet. But although we will always face challenges in life, we shouldn't focus too much on the problems that we lose. We should always find the optimistic viewpoint. Heavy rains remind us of challenges in life. Never ask for a lighter rain. Just pray for a better umbrella. That is an attitude. Let smile be your umbrella on a rainy day. Thank you for watching. Always be positive and enjoy the music of rain on a rainy day season.